Welcome to Animals Kids channel.
Today, I'm creating a video about farm animals, in which we will tell you about animals, and also tell you the names of animals. This video will be very good for children's education. Before we meet our animal friends, we need to get their homes ready. Let's set up cozy little houses, plant some trees, and add colorful plants. Everything looks perfect now. Are you ready? Let's meet the animals and learn their names and some fun facts too. A cow is a large farm animal that is kept for milk, meat, and sometimes for work. Female cows are called cow, male are called bull, and baby are called calves. That lives in fields and gives us milk. Cows are herbivores, which means they eat only plants, like grass and hay. A chicken is a farm bird that lays eggs and gives us tasty meat. Chickens are one of the most common animals on farms all around the world. A baby chicken is called a chick. A girl chicken is called a hen. A boy chicken is called a rooster. Roosters are known for their bright feathers, loud crowing, and protective behavior. They live on farms and help guard the hens, female chickens. Bright colors like red, gold, green, black, and white comb. The red crown on top of their head. Wattles. The red flaps of skin under their beak. Beak, sharp and strong, used for pecking food. Spurs, sharp bumps on their legs, used for protection. Tail, long and curly feathers that flow behind them. Horse are big, beautiful animals that have lived with humans for thousands of years. They have strong legs. Baby horse are called foal. Horse sleeps standing up and lying down. They can live up to 25 to 30 years. People ride them, race them, and even use them to help on farms. Some horses are trained to help people with special needs. A sheep is a farm animal known for its thick, fluffy wool and gentle nature. Sheep live in groups and are raised mostly for their wool, milk, and meat. Some sheep have horns and they can be curled or straight. Sheep can be white, black, brown, or spotted. Baby sheep is called a lamb. Mother sheep is called a ewe. Father sheep is called a ram. A goat is a farm animal known for being curious, playful, and great at climbing. Goats are raised for their milk, meat, and sometimes even as pets. Horns. Both males and females can have them. A baby goat is called a kid. A mother goat is called a doe or nanny. A father goat is called a buck or billy. A A donkey is a farm animal that looks a bit like a small horse. Donkeys are strong, gentle, and very good at carrying heavy loads. People have used donkeys for thousands of years to help with work, travel, and farming. Cats say meow. Cats have soft fur and whiskers. Cats like to purr when happy. Cats love to chase balls and strings. We pet cats gently on the back or head. A dog is a mammal and one of the most popular pets in the world. Dogs are known for being loyal, loving, and smart. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Dogs have amazing noses. They can smell things 100,000 times better than humans. A dog's sense of hearing is also super strong. Pig are one of the smartest animals on the farm. Pig big round body, a short curly tail, and a cute snout that's nose. Pig are known for their oinks, their love of mud, and their playful nature. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pig can run faster, up to 11 miles, 18 kilometers per hour.